Hi everyone, this is just a quick video to give you a tour and highlight the main changes of our new portal upgrade that has gone out. I know change can be scary, but the reason that we've made the change is to make managing your workforce easier, faster and a little bit more intuitive than it was previously. So I'll just highlight the main changes that we've made. So the features have now moved from the top bar to the left hand side. This is to make things easier to find, and you can hover over and quickly jump to the different screens and subsections that you need to go to. The navigation bar can also be expanded and collapsed. So if you're looking at your vehicles or your jobs, for example, you can collapse the menu in so that you can see more of your data at a glance. The create buttons on all of the sections of the portal are now also being moved directly onto the tables, again, just to make it easier to find and quicker to add new entries into the system. Things like the column pickers and the filters are still the same, but we've added in search bars to allow you to easily find data and switch those on in the different views that you're looking at. This is the same with the filters. You can search and quickly find the different filter options. Things like finding job by exact job number start, these have also moved from the left-hand navigation into the filter section because we felt they fitted better here and were a little bit more relevant. We've now added a search bar at the top as well, so no matter where you are in the system, if you start to type, for example, a job number and click find, that'll give you some relevant options there so that you can quickly jump to that job or project or customer from any point in the system. We've also changed the view screens for jobs, assets, vehicles as well. So we've taken a tab approach to things like your job data. So your job data is now within a tab, and then there's sub-tabs within those, and that's just to allow you to easily find the relevant data that you need to see and jump through the tabs rather than having to scroll down one big long list. And then the options to create an export, an invoice, a quote, etc. against a job or any of the other bits and bobs, they now sit within these options buttons. So this is the same across all of the different views within the system. Clicking this button will then show you the relevant options that you need to export. Again, just making things a little bit more consistent across the system, so it makes the system easier to use and things easier to find. So those are the main bits. Things may look a bit different, but rest assured everything is still here. It just looks nicer and should be a little bit easier to use. But if you've got any feedback over the coming days while you're using it, feel free to contact your account manager, and we look forward to hearing your thoughts.